Get ready for a game changer. Amazon has finally shipped its highly anticipated Kindle Scribe models, including the much-talked-about Scribe Colorsoft. But here's where it gets controversial. These e-readers come with a hefty price tag, leaving many wondering if they're worth the investment. Let's dive in and explore the features that might just justify the cost. The Kindle Scribe unveiled. Back in September, Amazon announced 3 new Kindle Scribe e-readers, and now, true to their word, they've made 2 of these models available just in time for the holidays. The Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and the Kindle Scribe with front light are now on the market, with prices starting at $500 and $430 respectively. The entry-level Kindle Scribe without front light is still on its way, expected to arrive early next year. Our expert reviewer, David Carnoy, has received samples of the Colorsoft and the new monochrome Scribe with front light, and he's ready to put them to the test. So what makes these e-readers so special, and are they truly worth the premium price? Key upgrades: bigger, better, and brighter. The new Kindle Scribes boast a few significant upgrades that might make you reconsider the price tag. First, they feature an enlarged 11-inch screen, an upgrade from the previous 10.2-inch model. This increase in size is achieved through reduced bezels, and the screens have been redesigned with a new mini LED lighting system, enhancing the overall display quality. Additionally, the new Scribes are slightly slimmer and lighter, measuring just 5.4 millimeters thick and weighing 400 grams. This redesign is powered by a custom MediaTek processor, promising a 40% performance boost. However, it's worth noting that none of the new Scribes are waterproof, unlike the Kindle Paperwhite or Kindle Colorsoft. Addressing the yellow tinge issue, Amazon encountered a yellow tinging issue on the sides and bottom of the smaller Kindle Colorsoft display when it launched its Color e-ink model last year. This issue was more noticeable with the front light on, and Amazon paused shipping to address the problem. They replaced affected units and claimed the issue impacted only a small number of Kindle Colorsofts. It seems Amazon has successfully fixed or minimized this yellow banding issue in the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft. Some e-ink enthusiasts suggest that the Colorsoft's display design made it susceptible to this problem, and the advanced display design of the Scribe Colorsoft should eliminate it altogether. First impressions. A colorful experience. Our reviewer's first impression of the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft was to check for any yellow tinging, a common concern with Color e-ink displays. Fortunately, no such issue was noticed, even with the color style set to vivid and the front light at maximum brightness. The reviewer tends to keep the light's warmth setting at a cooler 7 or 8, favoring a whiter, bluer color temperature. Amazon's take on the Scribe upgrades. Amazon describes these upgrades as follows: a new front light system with miniaturized LEDs for a narrower bezel and uniform lighting. Texture molded glass to improve pen glide and friction. A re-architected display stack to minimize parallax, creating a direct on-page writing feel. A MediaTek quad-core chip, more memory, and custom oxide display technology for improved performance. So are these Kindle Scribe models worth the investment? That's for you to decide. Stay tuned for our full review. And in the meantime, check out our hands-on first impressions of all 3 new Kindle Scribe models. We'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments. Are you considering making the switch to one of these e-readers? What features do you value most in an e-reader?